Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the misleading pop-ups that come from the site actorplugtest.com. If you see these pop-ups by actorplugtest.com, keep in mind that they are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They try to make you actually click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button is clicked, your browser would be hijacked with multiple advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of your computer screen. And these ads are not really decent. They may point you to many shady and truly deceptive pages in the internet. If you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, it's time to get your browser fixed. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and Notifications. Pay careful attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this actorplugtest.com, you should remove this junk site from the list. So these manipulations should help you fix your browser very well, and of course you can do it manually. But I would also recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete any other possibly hidden threats. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program through this green download button, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.